Okay, so my thoughts on gamification of education is I think it's worked out pretty good. I work at a school um in with 8th graders, and they had done a review recently over a test, and one of the ways to review was with a game, and they really responded with that. They participated, they actually enjoyed the activity. um So I think it's like a good activity to get kids motivated to actually participate and talk, even the ones who are quiet in class or usually do not pay in class. Um, the template that I used to make my interactive game was a PowerPoint from let me see, Livewire, and it's called Cash Cab if I remember correctly. I thought it was really good. It seemed simple enough to fill out and play. So every slide you either click the red or green button, red, and then you click them where the answer space is, and it'll show the answers. So it was pretty easy to fill in, and I did it over U.S. World History for 8th graders since that's what they're learning right now, and I covered the Constitution since that's something they're doing. The problems I did see with the template is that sometimes if you don't download the sounds correctly, it won't play the sounds, so you have to import your own sound, or also import like your own video. And what's like was like get copy paste, copy paste, copy paste like 3 times the same question and 3 times the same answer, which is kind of sucked. But other than that, it's pretty user friendly. I would use interactive PowerPoints in a future classroom. Probably as a review or like a fun activity, on Fridays or something like that. Since I'm going into elementary, I would definitely do that as like a group activity that they would learn, or even as like an introduction to the lesson. I think it's a good way to start it out as fun, and then get kids going into that lesson plan. But yeah, I think the PowerPoint is the gamification of lessons are pretty useful in class.